This is Iris, and let me identify the different types of number systems. First is the binary number system with a base of 2 that represents only two numbers, which is 0 and 1. Binary number system is often used by computers to manipulate and store all of their data, including numbers, words, videos, graphics, and music. Second is the decimal number system with a base of 10 that represents the numbers 0 to 9. Decimal number system is easy to manipulate, readable by humans, and the most commonly used number system. Third is the octal number system with a base of 8 that represents the numbers 0 to 7. Octal number system provides a more convenient way of converting large binary numbers into smaller and more compact groups. Fourth is the hexadecimal number system with a base of 16 that represents the numbers 0 to 9 and A to F. It is often used by programmers to simplify the binary number system. Computers use binary number system while humans use hexadecimal number system to shorten binary and make it easier to understand.
The byte is a unit of digital information that most commonly consists of 8 bits. Historically, the byte was the number of bits used to encode a single character of text in a computer, and for this reason, it is the smallest addressable unit of memory in many computer architectures. A bit is a binary digit, the smallest increment of data on a computer. A bit can hold only one of two values, 0 or 1, corresponding to the electrical values of on or off, respectively. Because bits are so small, you rarely work with information one bit at a time. Bits are usually assembled into a group of 8 to form a byte.
Hey guys, it's Luis, and today we will learn on how to add binary numbers. First, let me ask you, what is a bit? Bit is an abbreviation of binary digit. It is the smallest piece of data. Binary addition. It is very simple to learn. You only need to consider two numbers, which are 1 and 0. It is same as decimal addition. Actually, there are 4 rules when solving for binary addition. First is 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. And 1 plus 1 is equals to 0, carry over 1. Now, let's apply the 4 rules. Let's add 110 to 101. We will get 1011. That's it. Hope you like it. Bye!
Hello guys, Shin here. So today I will teach you how to solve binary subtraction. Binary subtraction is easy. Just remember the 4 rules, which is 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and then 0 minus 1 is equal to 0 with a bar of 1. So let's start. So first is 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is cannot be, so you must borrow 1 from the second digit. Let's cancel 1, magiging tong 0. At yung 0 ay magiging 10. 10 or 2 is isa lang. So let's call it as 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And then bring down 1. Final answer is 1001. So sana nag-enjoy at natuto kayo mga kapatid. Bye.
So, great morning and welcome po sa first episode natin. It's all about how to solve binary multiplication. At pag-uusapan po natin yan dito sa Math with Arlie video. So, let's start. So, this is the binary table wherein there is 4 entries instead of 100 for decimal multiplication. For example, multiply natin si 101 times 11. At ang pag-multiply po ng binary multiplication is very similar kung paano ko ba mag-multiply ng dalawang numbers by hand. So, let's start. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 1 is 1. So next, yung sunod na 1 po ulit, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 1 is 1. So next, we need to add. So let's add these two rows. Sa pag-add naman po, disregard lang po natin yung lahat ng 0, and bring down po natin si 1. So ang answer will be 1, 1, 1, and 1. So that's it on how to solve binary multiplication. So now, it's your turn. So anong sagot?
Now for the next guide is all about binary division. Dividend, quotient. Binary division is really not that different in decimal division, with the only glaring difference is that instead of a regular subtraction after multiplying the quotient to the divisor, we're going to use the binary subtraction to get the next answer. Just to get the quotient, divide the divisor to the dividend to get the quotient and multiply to get the next answer. Also, unlike all binary equations, there's only two rules. The first rule is that if the dividend is less than the divisor, then it is equal to 0 quotient. Now, if the dividend, however, is equal or perhaps greater than the divisor, and the quotient will be 1, thus 0 and 1. Now, as an example, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 is the dividend, and 1, 0, 0 is the divisor. Now, based on the number of digits, we'll base here 101 and 100. Now, since the dividend is greater than the divisor, then the first quotient shall be 1. Now, the quotient multiplied by the divisor is equals to 100. Now, using binary subtraction, 1 minus 0 is equals to 1, 0, 0, and 0. Now, bring down 0 just like a regular decimal division. Now, 10 multiplied by 100, and since 10 is lesser than 100, then it shall be 0. Multiplied by 100, then it shall be 0, 0, 0. Now, for that, 0, 0, 1, 0. Bring down 0. Now, since both of them is equal, the answer will be 1. That's what I'm talking about before. If the dividend here, dividend is equal or greater than the given divisor, then the answer will be 1. Now, since if you multiply this, it will be the same and equals to 0. Now, this is the remainder. That since 0 is the remainder, then you no longer need to write this. The only answer that you will write is this. There's the final answer. There. I hope you've all had a good time with me. See you later. And that's all for today, folks.
So guys, pag-usapan natin ang data storages. Una ay bit, short or binary digit is the smallest unit of measurement used to quantify computer data. Next is byte. A byte is a data measurement also, a unit that contains 8 bits or a series of zeros and ones. Next is kilobyte. A kilobyte is the smallest unit of measurement greater than a byte. Next is megabyte. 1 megabyte is equals to 1024 kilobytes and preceded the terabyte unit of measurement. Next is terabyte. 1 terabyte is equals to 1000 gigabytes and preceded the petabyte unit of measurement. Next is petabyte. 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabyte. Next is exabyte. 1 exabyte is equals to 1024 petabytes and preceded the zettabyte unit of measurement. Zettabyte. 1 zettabyte is equals to 1024 exabyte and preceded the iota unit of measurement. And last, iota. 1 iota is equals to 1024 zettabytes and is the largest SI unit of measurement used for measuring data. So kung magkakaas ng data storages, ang gagawin mo lang ay mag-multiply ng 1024. Kung bababa naman, mag-divide ka lang ng 1024.